Good day, I'm Baby Linus Ehe from BS Entra 3B. Today we will discuss about Kitchen Brigade system or the Kitchen Brigada de Cuisine. So what is the Kitchen Brigada de Cuisine? It is a hierarchy found in restaurants and hotels, employing extensive staff, commonly referred to as kitchen staff, in English-speaking countries. So first we have Chef de Cuisine or the Chief of the Kitchen. It is responsible for overall management of the kitchen. Second, sous chef or the sub-chef, the deputy kitchen chef. It receives orders directly from the chef de cuisine from the management of the kitchen. Chef de partie, station head. It is responsible from the managing a given station in the kitchen, specializing in preparing and the particular dishes. Cuisinier or the cook is an independent position, usually preparing the specific dishes in the station. Commis chef or the junior cook also works the specific station but reports directly to the chef de partie and take care of the tools for the station. Plongeur or the dishwasher, clean dishes and utensils. Marmiton or the pot and pans washer. It takes care of all pot and pans instead of the plongeur. Saucier or sauté station chef. Prepare sauces and main order complete meat dishes in a smaller restaurant, may work on fish dishes and prepare sauté items. Rôtisseur or roasted station chef. It is responsible of the preparation of all roasted items and foods. Grillerdien or the grill station chef. In larger kitchen prepares all grilled foods. Friteurier or the fry station chef. Restaurants responsible for fried meat, seafood, and other fried items. Poissonnier or the fish station chef. It is responsible of the preparation of all fish and seafood dishes. Entremets or the entree preparer. Prepare soups and other dishes not involved with meat or fish. Hotelier or the soup station chef. It is responsible of the preparing soup, including the vegetable dishes and egg dishes. Poulet or the chicken station chef. It is responsible of all chicken or poultry dishes. Legumier or the vegetable station chef. In larger kitchen, it also reports for entremets and vegetables dishes. Garde-manger or the pantry supervisor, literally the food keeper. It is responsible for preparation of all order, prepare salads, and organize large buffet. Tournant or the spare hands roundsman moves throughout the kitchen or assisting other position in the kitchen. Patissier or the pastry station chef. It is responsible for the preparation of all baked as well as pastries and sweets. Confiture or the petit course preparer. In larger the kitchen or the restaurant, it prepares candies and petit course and instead of the patissier. Glacier or the frozen and cold dessert preparer. In larger restaurant, it prepares a frozen and cold desserts. Decorator or the cake designer, decorator. It prepares all and showpieces in specialty cakes. Boulanger or the baker. It is responsible for the preparing the bread, the cakes, and the breakfast. Sommelier or the wine tester. A wine doctor or a steward is a trained and knowledgeable wine professional commonly knowing and fine restaurant who specialize in all aspects in all wine service. Chef de bon or the bar helper, the one who assists the bartender. Demi-chef or the line cook. It is ensured that the prepared all food are fresh and it's all high quality. Chef de salle and the stage, or the head waiter and captain waiter. It is responsible to check the appearance of the waiter, like grooming, cleanliness, and the uniform. Chef de rang, or the professional waiter, a man who assists and serves at the table. Commis de rang, or the assistant waiter, responsible for the assisting of the captain waiter during the operation. Butcher. It butchers meat, poultry, and sometimes fish. It may be in charge in the breading meat and fish items. Abouyer, or the announcer expeditor. It may takes the order from the dining room and distribute them for the various stations. It may also be performed by the sous chef de partie. Communard or the staff server. Prepare the meat served to the restaurant staff. Garçon de cuisine or the kitchen boy. In larger the restaurant, it performs preparatory or auxiliary works for support. And that's all